Hi friends, my name is Yusuf and today I'm going to play with this egg. Look at this magic trick I learned. Look, there's colours. But I have loads of magic tricks. I'm going to show you what I can do with my dinosaur egg. But now this is another magic trick. Make slime come in here. Wow! Slime! Even there's a dinosaur in there. There's a baby dinosaur here. Aww. Let's open it, friends. Ooh. Wow. Dinosaurs are so cute. This one's just a baby one, so it won't hurt you. Look! This didn't even hurt it. Well, you can do a magic trick with it. Where's the dinosaur? And then you cover it with slime. And then something happens. Look. It's right there! Oh, that's a good magic trick, yeah? Now I'm going to carve out the lights. So the dinosaur can't find it. It's going to be a tricky one for him. So he wants the lights all the time because when he sleeps. So come on. Slime is so cool and light. Oh, I need slime. My light had slime. Oh, I found a slime. Where's the light? Okay. I'm putting it out now so you can't see it. His tail. Oh no, I'm covered there. Yahoo! Oh, no, found my light. Colors coming now. Yahoo! Yahoo! I jumped really high just for the first time. Oh, phew! It was my highest jump in the world. Now I'm gonna put the slime and the light and the baby dinosaur back in the pots. This is the end of the video. Like, share and hit that subscribe button. Bye!